Hey everyone, this is also Wakabayashi from the Ideas. This is just a quick short video to show you how to order this user listing in alphabetical order. So this is by last name here and A. So if you go down here, and if you go down here, and then go to B, right? So I'd like to show you how to do this with the Query Builder. All right, so it's already done it here. Click that. So this is a user query. If you're using a CPT, you can use, of course, post query as well. Okay. And then, so this is user role, this is mentor. So this is the project I'm working on. And my client wanted to list them in alphabetical order. So go to miscellaneous here. All right. So this is just 15 post or users listing. Now, right here. So order by meta value in my case. Okay. And then so meta key is, this is the last name. So I put the meta key here, so last name, and then so lowest to highest, or, from A, B, C, that's how you do it. Now, so let's see here. So this is alphabetical order, right? Now, so I wanted to put the first name, for example, by first name. So I just change the meta key and hit update. And I'm going to just refresh this page. So now it goes with the first name. Okay, I'm sure if I go to next, it's gonna be right. So B. Okay. All right. So this is a really short video, but I hope this helps. And see you next time.